Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on how things are getting along in the garden, my front garden, this spring. As you can see, you do a lot of weeding here. Nice holly up there though. Get rid of all the dandelions. Yeah, the hedge is looking nice from last year. Up, Snowy. What are you doing, pal? You wanna help me? Right, that's a fuchsia. Then just down here, this gets quite a lot of shades, but it's doing alright here. I've got aquilesias, I've got hollyoaks, and a couple of foxgloves down there, and a campanula. So they're right, yeah. Perennial geraniums, daylilies, primulas, ranunculus, and there we are. I always forget the name of it. Lupins, stocks. Yeah, everything's starting to spring into action now. These need cutting back, these stalks. Lilies there that need pruning back, the dead stems. Yeah, everything's really starting to shoot into action now. It's looking nice. This nearly died last year, but I moved it, give it a bit more light, and it's really responded well, that lupin. Japanese anemones, I really like them, really nice. My delphiniums there, and first of my lupins, peonies there. As you can see, these always get rust on them, these hollyoaks, but luckily I've got a spray that'll sort that out. I'll give them a spray later on, today or tomorrow. This is one of the delphiniums I've grown from seed about 4 years ago. Beautiful flowers on it. Here's my beautiful tree with this self-sown ivy. The birds have dropped them seeds and it's really growing well. The big border here, I've got my perennial poppies, oriental poppies there, that's a white one. Lilies again. And genum, that's a red one. Bleeding heart coming through nicely. Just going down there. These lilies here in these pots, I'm going to dig these holes bigger and plant them so they're level, take them out of the pots. There's one of the peonies I split last year. Looking well, at least 5 or 6 shoots on that, so that'll be really nice and centred. This is one of the bleeding hearts that I bought from Bare Roots. Been here about 4 years now. Really does look nice when it's in full flower. Stocks again, down the border. Right, from there called Carpet of Gold. Lovely big golden flower heads on it, really nice. This is a primula that's self-seeded, and it has some really lovely orangey, reddy flower heads on it when it comes out. So I'm looking forward to that flowering. These though, very careful, get a lot of caterpillar damage. Aquilesias again, self-seeded. Walk down here, we've got our penstemon. This is a blue one. I've got it in pots because it tends to grow all over the place, so by keeping it in pots I can keep an eye on it. And here's all the plants I sowed. I collected the seeds the year before, I sowed them last year. This will be the first year flowering for all these delphiniums. I'm so looking forward to picking some good ones out of them. There's my peony in pots, the second year for them. Coming along nicely now. These irises, they could really do with digging up these and splitting, because as you can see, getting a big dead centre, and that's what tends to happen, it tends to go outwards, end up with a dead spot patch. Here's my cottage cream climber. The smell of this is divine in the summer with the windows open. Really knocks out. This climber's really struggled, but last year it really tend to get going, as you can see. Get some nice flower heads on it. Final bit, standard rose. My daylilies in pots, these will be lovely this year. So that's it, that's a quick guide at my front garden. If you've got any questions about any of the plants, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody, thank you, bye.